Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn how to check which lakehouse my notebook is connected or how to switch between the lakehouses in the notebook. So here is my workspace. If I go to workspaces, I have sales workspace and then in the sales workspace, I'm going to go ahead and add a new item. And now I will be adding a notebook. So in your scenario, you might have imported a notebook and you just open it, and or there is the already existing notebook and you simply double click on it and open it. Now once you open the notebook, you are seeing data items here, and then we can add different items. So see right here, I can add existing data sources. So I'm going to click right there, and you see that I have test lakehouse and I have tech bro lakehouse. Now keep in mind, whichever the one you will select first, that will become your default node lakehouse. So in this case, let's say if I select tech bros lakehouse and then I select test lakehouse, so this is going to be my first lakehouse that I will be using in my notebook. So let's connect here. And now you see that there is a small icon appear right here. So there is a pin that tells me this is my default Lakehouse. And now if you go to the second one, you can set actually this one default if you like. But now if we would like to check this Lakehouse has some tables, and there are two tables. So think about that. You don't know even which your notebook is connected to which lakehouse, but you want to check. So very simple way to do that is you can run this command show tables. So if you do that, what's going to happen is going to show you all the tables available in your lakehouse, and especially in the DBO schema. Let me say show tables, not table. So I'm going to go ahead and execute this again. So here you can see that there are two tables available, and if I will just expand this one, and you can see this right here, I have this customer and other table as well. Now if I want to change my scope to the different lakehouse in my notebook, I can simply do that. I can go right here in the three dots and then say set as the default lakehouse. So before changing the default lakehouse, you need to stop your current notebook session, and that's if you that is okay with you. Yes, that's fine with me, and I will say stop now. And what's going to happen is going to stop the session, and now it will make my test node lakehouse as a default. Now if I will execute this show tables, what's going to happen now? This notebook is connected to this test lakehouse, and it's going to show me the tables from this lakehouse. And if I go to tables here, and if I go to the right here, so it is a sales data table is right there. So see right there, so you can see right here. So you have sales workspace, test lakehouse, DBO, then this one. I have some other tables in this different schema, HR and sales schema and all that, but this command is not going to show all those tables in each of the schema. So just but it gives you enough information. If you have a DBO schema, it's going to show you those tables, and you will make sure this is the notebook is connected to that specific lakehouse. But you can always switch between them. So if you would like to switch between the other one, you want to bring that this tech bro lakehouse, and you want to make that one as a default, then you can do that as well. So this was confusing for me, and I thought, okay, this will be helpful, because often we open a notebook and then we add those items and we don't know which one is this is going to create the table in which lakehouse and all that, or is going to extract the data from which lakehouse. So just remember that, set that to default, and then that's what your notebook will be using. So I thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you as the next video.